Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. You have two different fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we'll need for that specific radiator fan fuses will be located, guys, under the hood. You open the hood in your Honda Civic right here in the corner. That's your fuse box, and if you guys open that fuse box here now, you're going to see a layout, okay, that looks just like this one right there. You can see now those are relays, those are fuses, but you can see right here you have it's called multi-block fuse. Consists of different fuses, but you cannot just replace one section of it. You have to replace that whole special fuse. Those could be really hard, expensive to find. We'll have the link where you can get them from. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So first, what we need to do now, we need to check fuse number 5, guys. Fuse number 5 will be in that row right here, the very top fuse, which is, by the way, a 5 amp fuse, and it's number 5. So that fuse will be the first one. Then we have two more that we need to check, and that's in multi-fuse block number 1. That multi-fuse block, when you remove them, you have to remove them to inspect them. That's what they look like, okay? The number 1 multi-fuse block is right here. Consists of multiple fuses, you can see, and you have to remove it in order to inspect it. But here, guys, we have two things responsible for the radiator fan, okay? Starting from the top, the second portion here, the second fuse, it's fuse number 30 amp, second fuse 30 amp fuse, and third fuse 50 amp fuse. These two fuses are, guys, right here for the radiator fan. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.